How to get Hero Fragments in Mobile Legends? Here's how. First of all, one of the easiest way to earn Hero Fragments is from events and mission. If you are new, click on the new button and claim your free fragments. Next, go back and click on the chest icon in the main lobby. Here you can earn your Hero Fragments from medal in matches. If you want to unlock heroes without spending battle points, go back and tap on the shop option. Then look at the bottom left and select the fragment option. Here you can use your hero fragments to buy heroes directly. Additionally, there are ways to earn free hero fragments. To do this, click on the draw option. Then tap on magic wheel and claim your first time free spin. Now hit OK to receive your reward. Furthermore, select the lucky spin. If you are a first time user, you get a free spin, so simply tap the free option. Then hit OK to claim your reward. And just like that, you now know how to get Hero Fragments in Mobile Legends.